Hey guys, so I have here my BenQ IdeaCam and there is a firmware update available for this webcam. So in this video I want to show you how to install this from your computer. So first we're going to go to the link that I'm posting in the comment section below. And then we're going to go down where we see here firmware and we're going to click on download. So now the firmware update software is only available for Windows computers. So currently there's no Mac version. So if you don't happen to have a Windows computer, then you unfortunately won't be able to update the software or the firmware of your webcam. Then the next step is to unzip the software. And this may take a couple of seconds, and then afterwards we can install the update setup. So just going to click accept here, and then it's going to take us through this wizard where we basically all we have to do is keep pressing next. And maybe you can create this desktop shortcut so that you can find it later on really easily. And then a couple of seconds later, the update is going to be installed, or the software for the update is going to be installed. And eventually, the computer is going to ask you to restart first before we actually can use the updating software. So we're going to go through the Windows restart as well. And once our computer is back up and running, then we're going to start this updating software. So usually you just click here on the Windows icon in the lower left corner, and then you see here recently added the IdeaCam firmware update software. So we're going to click on that, and as soon as it's started, then we're just going to see some information. So as soon as you're connected to the internet, it's going to look for firmware updates for our IdeaCam. So we're going to select here start, and then you see here in purple here updates are available. So we're going to go ahead and click update, and this updating process really just takes a couple of seconds. So it takes definitely less than a minute, and then here it says okay, reset successful. So it updated the firmware. Now we're at, in this case, version 1.1, and now it says also this version is up to date. So we have successfully updated our IdeaCam from BenQ. And that was already it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.